Welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. You slide into the driver's seat and settle in. You start the engine gently. No sudden revs, no rush. You give it a moment to breathe, let the fluid warm, the belt find its place before you ask anything of it. When you begin to move, you don't stomp on the accelerator. You ease into it. You allow the system to respond smoothly. You treat it with patience, because every pulley and belt inside demands it. As you drive, your foot stays steady. You avoid jerky changes in throttle. You don't dance back and forth with the gas pedal. You let the CVT adjust continuously, flowing with you, not fighting you. You avoid holding one rigid throttle position for too long. Instead, you allow slight adjustments. Let it shift. Let the forces shift. You relieve constant pressure from one single ratio. When you approach a stop, you anticipate. You begin easing off. Let the car decelerate gradually. Once fully stopped, then you shift into park or reverse, never while still rolling. You know that forcing a shift while moving can hurt internal mechanisms. If traffic becomes heavy or stop and go, you stay calm. You resist the urge to stop or force your way through. You keep your input smooth and deliberate. On uphill stretches or heavy loads, you take it easy. You don't command full throttle. You let the CVT do its job, gradually adjusting ratio, easing strain. You watch the temperature. If things get hot, you back off a little. You know heat is one of its greatest enemies. When you arrive, you bring the car to a full stop. You hold the brake, shift to park, and then release. You engage the parking brake, sparing internal parts from extra load. If you ever feel a hesitation, a slip, a shudder, or hear something odd, don't ignore it. Listen, inspect fluid. Take action. Those are your car's calls for help. Drive with respect. Treat the CVT as your ally, not just a component. Be smooth, be kind, be patient, and in return, it will carry you farther, stronger, longer. Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative, kindly leave comment below and hit that subscribe.